Running is one of the simplest yet most powerful exercises you can do. It requires no fancy equipment, just a good pair of sneakers and a little motivation. But let's be real, starting to run regularly isn't always easy. The first few days or weeks might be tough, but if you push through, the benefits are absolutely worth it. So what exactly happens to your body when you start running every day? Stick around till the end because we're diving into all the amazing changes you can expect. Number 1, you'll be happier. Let's start with your mood. Running has a powerful impact on your mental health. According to research, just 30 minutes of running can significantly improve the mood of someone struggling with depression. And here's the best part, you don't need to sprint or run fast. Even a slow jog or running at a walking pace is enough to trigger the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that give you the famous runner's high. After a run, many people feel more positive, calm, and energized. Number 2, you'll burn more calories. Running is an incredibly effective way to burn calories. For example, a 70-kilogram person, about 154 pounds, running at a moderate pace can burn roughly 20 calories per minute. That's around 366 calories in a 30-minute session. And that's just flat ground running. Add hills, wind resistance, or increase your pace, and you'll torch even more. Number 3, your knees will thank you. Contrary to what many people believe, running does not destroy your knees. In fact, studies show that runners are actually less likely to experience knee pain compared to people who don't run. How? Running helps maintain a healthy body weight, strengthens the leg muscles, and improves bone density. Every stride puts a controlled amount of stress on your bones, tendons, and ligaments, stimulating them to grow stronger. Unlike low-impact exercises like swimming or cycling, running provides the impact needed to toughen your musculoskeletal system. Number 4, your heart will get stronger. Running is a great aerobic exercise, and that means it works wonders for your heart. Even just 10 minutes of slow jogging per day has been shown to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. It improves circulation, lowers blood pressure, and strengthens the heart muscle. To get these benefits, consistency is key. Running daily or almost daily is what makes the difference. Number 5, your brain will sharpen. Forget your keys again. Can't remember what you had for lunch yesterday? Try running. Scientists have found that aerobic exercises, especially those that get your heart pumping and your body sweating, boost brain function. Running improves memory, focus, and even creativity. It's like a reset button for your mind. Number 6, you'll sleep better. Struggling with poor sleep? Running might be the answer. In one small study, participants who ran at a moderate pace for at least 30 minutes, 5 times a week, reported better sleep quality. Not only did they fall asleep faster, but they also woke up feeling more rested. Plus, improved sleep has a domino effect on your overall health and mood. Number 7, your immune system will get stronger. Another amazing benefit of daily running is a stronger immune system. Regular aerobic exercise for 30 minutes or more has been linked to a lower risk of various illnesses, including some forms of cancer. That's because exercise improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps your body fight off infections more efficiently. Number 8, your legs and whole body will look great. Let's not forget the aesthetic benefits. Running primarily targets the lower body, the hips, calves, glutes, and thighs. But it doesn't stop there. Your abs and back muscles are constantly working to stabilize your body as you move. So yes, running gives you toned legs, but it also sculpts your core and improves posture. Tips for running every day. Safely now, running every day sounds great, but you need to do it safely to avoid injury. Here are a few essential tips. Invest in proper running shoes. Regular sneakers aren't designed for the impact of running. Good running shoes support your feet and help prevent injuries. Increase mileage gradually. Don't go from 0 to 10 kilometers overnight. Slowly build your endurance and distance over time. Warm up and cool down. Always start with a warm-up to prepare your body and end with stretching to reduce muscle tightness. Street versus treadmill running. What's better? Many beginners wonder whether it's better to run outside or on a treadmill. Here's the breakdown. Running outdoors. It's more engaging mentally. You feel the wind, the scenery changes, and it can feel more like an adventure. Plus, you're more likely to stick to your distance goals because you're literally running from point A to B. Running indoors. If you live in a city with high pollution, heavy traffic, or harsh weather, a treadmill in a gym with clean air is a better choice. It also allows you to run anytime, regardless of conditions. Ideally, if you live near a park or a trail with clean air, outdoor running is best. It gives you fresh oxygen and mental variety. So what do you think? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more awesome content on the channel. See you in the next one.